The timings function in Sage CRM tracks the duration of a lead, opportunity, or case from when the record is opened to when it is closed. It also calculates the length of time a lead, opportunity, or case spends at each stage along the way. If you open one of these entities, you can review the duration information from the Tracking tab. For a more accurate measurement of duration, this information can be combined with a business calendar, which defines standard business days and work times. Timings also allow you to set up service level agreements, also known as SLAs, that take case duration, business calendars, and holidays into account. Warnings and escalations can then be triggered when a case comes close to or breaches a customer service level agreement. In this tutorial, we'll walk through setup of a business calendar and holiday set. In a subsequent video, we'll use them to set up service level agreements. So now let's jump right in and get started. We'll first create a business calendar, and to do this, we'll go to Administration, System, Timings, and open the Business Calendar tab. And let's click New to create our calendar. We'll begin here by entering a name, and we'll call it our 5-day week. For the total working hours, this is the daily total, and for our example, we'll enter 8.5. Importantly, you can have multiple business calendars, but only the one you set as the default will apply to leads and opportunities. We'll go ahead and make this our default. Moving down to the calendar, notice that the system has entered a 9 to 5:30 day, Monday through Friday as the default. You can change these entries as necessary, but we'll leave them as is for our demo. Now let's save the calendar. In order to demonstrate how calendars affect the elapsed time calculations, let's go ahead and create a calendar for a 7-day work week. We'll name it 7-day week, and the total working hours will again be 8.5. We want the first calendar to remain as the default for leads and opportunities, so we'll leave default unchecked here. Now we'll set the times. Monday through Friday will be the same, but we're going to add the weekend. So we'll set the Saturday start time to 9 a.m. and the day end time to 5:30, and we'll do the same for Sunday. And now we'll save it. Now let's compare the effect of each business calendar on the measured duration of opportunities. Here we have examples of the Tracking tab information from two different opportunities. When Opportunity A was created, the 5-day week was set as the default business calendar, whereas Opportunity B was created with the 7-day week set as the default. Starting with Opportunity A, the duration of the initial lead stage was calculated to be 6 days. This is the time from when the opportunity was created to when it was progressed to the proposal submitted stage. Although the number of days that elapsed between January 16th and January 24th is 8 days, when the 5-day week calendar is applied, the elapsed time calculated by the system is 6 days. Moving to Opportunity B, although the number of days that elapsed during the initial lead stage is the same as Opportunity A, the system has calculated the elapsed time as 8 days because the 7-day workweek calendar was applied. Now let's move on to holiday sets, and we'll open the Holiday Set tab. In a holiday set, you specify the days that your company will be closed in observance of holidays. Importantly, holiday sets only affect cases. They have no impact on leads and opportunities. Further, holiday sets will only affect a company's cases if a service level agreement has been assigned to the company. If none has been assigned, you can still apply a holiday set by setting one of your service level agreements as the default for companies with no SLA assignment. In either case, a holiday set must be linked to the SLA. Continuing on, here you can see that we have a number of holiday sets. This is important if your company has offices in multiple regions where observances differ. So now let's take a closer look at one of the existing sets, and we'll open the one for U.S. federal holidays. As you can see, holidays are listed with their respective date, and as you complete a year, you can enter the holidays for the coming year. For demo purposes, we'll go ahead and add the next holiday that follows Christmas 2012, which would be New Year's Day, on January 1st, 2013, and clicking Add adds it to the holiday set. Note that the behavior of the Save button here is different from most other areas in Sage CRM. Clicking Save saves our new entries but does not close this page. This allows you to periodically save your work as you add multiple entries. So now let's look at an example of how a case is affected by a holiday set. Let's suppose that your office will be closed on Thursday, November 22nd for the Thanksgiving holiday. On Monday of that week, if a case is opened, then by end of the day on Friday, the tracking for the case will show that 4 days have elapsed rather than 5. And finally, note that you can clone an existing holiday set to create a new one. This is useful if there is some overlap between the two sets. And that completes our demonstration of timings in Sage CRM. Give us a call if you need assistance with this or any other feature in your Sage CRM system. Well, that's it for this tutorial. Bye for now.